Welcome back traders, Nora here. Today I'm sharing a powerful 1-minute strategy using only two classic indicators, moving average and stochastic oscillator. This strategy is super simple, works on any asset and gives you clear entry signals without any guesswork. But before we start, make sure that you have joined my Telegram channel for more market insights and private mentoring. Link in the description. Let's move on to the broker and start trading. So the strategy is very easy. We need only two indicators, moving average and stochastic oscillator, and let me show you exactly how to set them up. First, at moving average, set period to 20, type SMA or MA, doesn't matter, and apply to close price, there it is. Second, at stochastic oscillator, set %K period to 5, %D period to 3, slow in to 3, and don't forget to draw horizontal lines at levels 20 and 80. This is very important. Now, let me explain how to properly enter trades with this strategy. For a call trade, you need two things happening together. First, the price must touch the MA line from below, and second, the stochastic oscillator lines must be below the level 20 and cross upward. That's your signal. For a put trade, you also need two confirmations. First, the price must touch the MA line from above and stochastic oscillator lines must be above 80 level and cross downward. That's your moment. Also, I want to remind you that I trade on pocket option, and if you want to join me, the link with 50% deposit bonus in the description. Let's move on to the first trade. So, this is our first trade on AUD JPY. Look here, price just touched the MA from above and stochastic is above 80 crossing down. All conditions are met. And here is our first profit. Look how clean that was. 1 minute and money in the bank. Let's move to another pair. GBP JPY now, price at MA from above, stochastic above 80 crossing down, put signals confirmed, entering. That was a close one. 2 for 2 so far. This is why I keep coming back to this strategy. It just works. Didn't even switch pair. Look. Situation looks perfect. Let's enter a put trade. First loss for today. It happens, we can't win them all. But with this strategy, wins come much more often than losses. One loss doesn't break the bank. Let's move on. Same pair again. Let's see what will happen. As I see, soon there will be an ideal situation for us. And, as I said, that's a good moment to place a call trade. And we are back in green. That's the beauty of having a system. One loss doesn't throw you off. You just follow the rules and keep going. And the last deal for today. We are staying at the same pair, and that is the perfect moment for a put trade. And that's another profit. That's exactly how a trading session should look. So let's recap. Today we had 4 profitable trades and only 1 loss, and that's power of this simple MA plus stochastic strategy. No complicated analysis, no dozens of indicators, only 2 reliable tools and clear rules. If you're testing this method, make sure that your indicator settings match exactly what I showed you. Period 20 on MA and 533 on stochastic with levels at 20 and 80. If you found this strategy helpful, like this video and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget about my Telegram, it's useful for both beginners and professionals. We share daily setups, answer questions and grow together. Link in description.